Hello guys and girls. If you want to fix your flash drive, or if you have a flash drive and you have a problem that sort of looks like this under computer management, it says unallocated. That's the problem that I'm gonna get us to fix today. I'm sorry if my computer has performance that is slow. That's because it's a very old computer. But if that doesn't really matter for this demonstration, then I think we're all up to the task. I'm doing this on Windows 10, by the way. I don't know if the update really matters, but here we go. So you're going to open your search bar and you're just going to type disk part, and you'll see up there that it's run command. So you're just going to click on that. And I just got to get through this. Okay, we'll just hit yes. And I'll bring this this down here so that you can see it on the camera. So I don't know if you will be able to see this, but let's try it. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to type list disk. That's first step. And hit that. And you should have something that looks like this. Okay, you ready? Here's step 2. You're going to type select. Select disk 1. And then you're going to enter. This one is now the selected disk. That's what you should read. Here's step 3. Then you're going to go create partition primary. You're going to hit enter. And you'll just wait. Now you see that disk part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Now we can just X out of this, and you can see that the color has changed. It's now in blue, and that's a good sign that we have this. I don't know if you will be able to see the color change on the camera. So next, you're going to go down here, and you're going to open Files, or Files Explorer, whatever you call it. I'll just go full screen. And then right over here, you're going to scroll down until you see your drive. You're just going to click on that. So you just left click, and it says you need to format this disk drive before you can use it. So you're just going to go format disk. Now, if you're going to use this for basic storage, I highly recommend using FAT32. It says FAT32 is default. I find FAT32 works best for me. So I'm just going to do this. And then you're going to hit start. I should say that. Then you're going to hit OK. There. You just fix your flash drive. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like, share, and subscribe for more stuff like this.